Hey kids, have you ever been left somewhere without a charged battery? Have you? Well, I have. Stick around, we're going to show you something fantastic from a company that we haven't worked with before. Stay tuned. That's right. We have teamed up with SciGold. It says so right there. Yeah. You know where the information should be. So what they did is they sent us an ultra fast charger. The part number is CW401. And then they sent us some 3.6 volt lithium ion rechargeable batteries. Now these are a little bit different than other batteries. They do have, of course, AA. That, I mean, they've got them all. They got lots of stuff. And I'll tell you what, they are super great to work with. They've been pretty patient. I had to wait for some stuff. So, I can't wait to show you. Hey, check. Speed shot. All right. So what I'm going to show you is that this is how it comes. Well, not, but the battery's in it. Like that. It's a USB-C. You have to use your own. So, hey. And it has a really cool LED screen here, and it shows how each battery's doing. Right there. You know how I know? Because I did it. I charged the. Come on, man. Anyway, make sure you read your instruction manual. I had to make sure I had my glasses on because, you know. Anyway, these batteries though on this one. These are a little bit different. These are a 12,600 milliamp hour battery. So these are a little bit more sturdy, let's call it, than the old AA, AAA battery. Yep. These are lithium, so make sure you recycle these. Do not throw these in garbage. So this battery is an 18650. That's the size of battery this is. So you can't just plunk this into a AA without making sure that it's going to fit. You know what I'm saying? I did something that needs to be done actually up here in the Northland, and I went ahead and I got myself hey, Chad, a couple of flashlights. Like I was saying, I got myself a couple of flashlights. Now what I made sure to do is I'm not going to show you about the flashlight too much, other than I made sure that the batteries, these special batteries, fit. And they did. So if you are going to look for something like that, make sure that they fit the 18650. That's what these are. And I will have a link. You just want to get in there. It comes with this guy. But we don't need that guy right now. We got this one. Now, the reason why I got these is because we don't have flashlights in our vehicles. And let me tell you, actually, let me show you. Right now it's 6 o'clock in the evening here in northern Minnesota. And you can see there's not a lot going on in the light department except for that one. This is why you need a flashlight in your vehicle, especially as it gets colder. So what I did was I made sure that I could get some flashlights to use these with these awesome batteries. Now the one super nice thing is that they're typically not affected by the cold as much as like a regular AA battery or a AAA battery, because when they get cold they just don't work. These, on the other hand, being the size they are, I'll tell you what, this is actually this is gonna last like, I think it said 500 hours or something. You know how many hours that is? That's a lot. It's more than Clyde's been around. Anyway, speaking of Clyde, now let's say you just needed to pull this up because you gotta look at something. You got your flashlight. Boom. Look at that. Yeah, let's put that back down. Nobody wants to see that. So we are going to be putting these in our vehicles, and the reason we're able to do that is because of these rechargeable batteries. And the cool thing is, if you happen to have your extra battery with you, you should be good to go. 500 hours is a long time, and frankly, we'll probably never do 500 hours on this thing, which is pretty darn cool that that'll last that long. All right, let's talk a little about SciGold. They have a quality guarantee on here. This is a dual tech charger, it says. Independent charging channels, so you only need one or two, you know, whatever. Anyway, it says they offer a 24-month limited warranty to prevent defects from resulting in material or workmanship issues. That guarantees performance of each SciGold charger. 2 years on this. Any other chargers you know that have a 2-year warranty? I didn't think so. I'm telling you, that's pretty darn slick. And it even has an email address at the end of it in case you have questions or you need to talk to them about it. Yeah, that's pretty fantastic. There are some warnings, of course. Make sure if the power supply is inefficient, it will reduce the charging current responding accordingly, which is actually a safety feature. It even has an auto off. And it says if you have questions, make sure you visit the website, hit that frequently asked questions tab. Now you might be asking yourself, Chad, is this charger and battery setup Honest Paint Speech Up approved? Well, you're darn right it is. Make sure you click that link down there. I was really pleased with this. Actually, this is the first set of batteries that I have that are rechargeable like this. And I looked into some more about the battery, and boy, they really will last a long time, and they're not as affected by the temperature. Like I said, 6 or 7 times by now. So anyway, make sure you click that link, SciGold. Video's done. Get you some right now. Keep on wrenching, kids.